Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. Today's episode is all about describing people and their appearance. We'll learn how to talk about what someone looks like, their height, body type, hair, eyes, and more. Ready, Maya?
Absolutely. I always hear people say, he's tall or she's beautiful, but I want to use more words than that.
Perfect. Let's go step by step. We'll start with the basics: height, build, hair, and face. And don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe anyone like a native speaker. 1. Height. All right, first, height. We can say, he's tall, she's short. He's of medium height.
Can I say he's little?
Not really. We say small or short for people. Little is more for children or objects. For example, she's a small woman. He's a short man. But little sounds a bit cute. A little girl, a little boy.
Got it. So tall, short, medium height, easy.
Exactly. You can also use adverbs. He's quite tall. She's very short. He's a bit taller than me. 2. Build, body type. Now let's talk about build, the shape or size of the body. We say, he's slim, thin. She's fit, in good shape. He's muscular, well built. She's curvy. He's overweight, a bit chubby. She's petite.
Ah, so she's petite exists in English?
Exactly. It's a French word we use in English too. When you say she's petite, it means she's short and slender, not negative, just descriptive.
Okay. So I can say, my sister is petite, but my brother is tall and muscular.
Perfect sentence. 3. Hair. Now let's move to hair. We can describe it by color, length, and style. Color: blonde, brown, black, red, gray, white. She has light brown hair. He has dark hair. Length: short hair, medium length hair, long hair. Style: straight dash, wavy dash, curly dash, bald dash, ponytail dash, beard, dash dash, fringe dash, bun.
So I can say, he's bald with a beard.
Exactly. Or, she has long, wavy brown hair. Notice we usually say adjectives before the noun. Long, wavy brown hair, from size to shape to color. 4. Face and eyes. Let's talk about the face. We can say, She has a round face, an oval face dash dash, a square face. He has a big nose, small lips, high cheekbones. Eyes, big, small, round, almond-shaped. Blue, green, brown, hazel, gray. Bright eyes means eyes full of energy. Tired eyes, well, like Monday morning eyes.
Haha, that's me every Monday. Can I say she has sparkling eyes?
Yes, that's very poetic. Sparkling eyes means shiny, full of life or happiness. 5. Complexion. We can describe skin tone or complexion politely. For example, she has fair skin. He has tanned skin. She has dark skin. He's pale today. Be careful. We describe skin tone respectfully, never to judge beauty.
Right. So we describe, but we don't compare.
Exactly. Describing is about observation, not opinion. Clothing and style. You can also describe someone's style. He's always well dressed. She has a casual style. He wears glasses and a black jacket. She often wears colorful dresses.
What about he's stylish?
That's perfect. You can also say, she looks elegant, he looks cool, or she's fashionable.
Oh, like Steve is wearing a stylish shirt today.
Haha. Thank you, Maya. You're learning fast. 7. Useful expressions. Let's review some common phrases. What does he look like? She looks like her mother. He looks older than he is. She doesn't look her age. He has an athletic build. She has dimples when she smiles. He has a scar on his cheek.
So if someone asks me, what does your friend look like? I can say, she's medium height, slim, with long curly hair and brown eyes.
Excellent. That's a perfect description. Practice time. Let's do a quick challenge, Maya. Describe your best friend in English.
Okay, my best friend is tall and fit. She has shoulder length blonde hair and green eyes. She usually wears jeans and sneakers because she loves comfort. Oh, and she has the most beautiful smile.
That's great. You used all the right adjectives. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Describe someone you know, a friend, a celebrity, or even yourself. Practice out loud. It's the best way to remember.
So today, we learned how to describe height, build, hair, face, and clothes. Next time, we'll talk about personality and character traits.
Exactly. Because beauty fades, but personality stays.
Ha! Wise words, Steve.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.